Hey man, I saw you guys on a YouTube channel, Mad Junker. I was hoping to get some control arms put on my car today, if possible.
What's the year, make, and model of your car, sir?
It's a 1970 Ford Maverick.
My life, I give up.
What are we doing today, Joe?
We're gonna get things under control.
Oh. We got the best Chinese suspension parts money can buy. That's not even true.
Oh, way to go, Moog.
Going up.
It's got a fickle valve. It's got a sweet spot.
Does it look like we got the right ones? Got all the right holes and I guess they're the same on both sides. Must be
so.
Same part number.
Same part number?
Yeah.
It's a very Ford thing to do.
Oh yeah, because I guess on one side you would use. Oh no, that's right in the middle on both sides. Oh, and so is that. So yeah, they're identical.
Grab my old man seat.
Oh, just have a seat there, bub.
It's good.
You're clear. Can't even get a shot on it with the GoPro. There we go. That little guy down there. You're gonna have to come out. Chuck, you need a new Maverick.
Chuck, the header's got to come off.
Oh, hell no. Junker's got a late start on a Sunday again.
Chuck's filming hungover again.
And so, you know the drill. We got to get it done or we're going to lose the shop. So that's how it works.
There she is.
There she blows.
Clean.
Oh, there the washers went. I heard them.
I see one of them.
Isn't that supposed to turn? Yeah, actually it looks like it had been rubbing on this one too. Yeah, it's like not centered in there, you know?
All right, take it back off.
Did it look like it moved? Didn't it? Maybe? Ish. Yeah. It puts the new control arm in. Okay, they started. Upper control arm back in.
That boot looks a hell of a lot better.
Yeah, quite a bit.
It's 5 times the size and it's holding its grease.
Yep.
It tightens up the ball joint. One more castle. Half a castle. A little bit more.
And the pit. Might as well put one in, right?
The way I put pins in, they come out easier. But they're still locked in place.
Okay. Now, if you cast your mind way back, Joe and these, what are they called? End-links? End-links? Sway bar?
Oh, yes. Yeah, we did have it out.
We did.
Hold my beer. Watch this.
Party rock, baby! Party rock!
Hold my beer. Watch this.
Upon grabbing the proper size pry bar, I discovered that these bolts are spline fit. So you gotta kind of get a little pry on them and maybe a little whack-a-mole from the back here. Unfortunately, this is the downside to working on a 4-post lift.
Stuff be in the way.
Stuff be in the way.
Hey, oh!
Coming at you. It's that Texas dust, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I know. The Maverick don't want you to struggle.
Oh, you know, you'd probably drop a couple ounces of unsprung weight there by vacuuming that out.
It's sentimental dust, though.
That's gonna make the Maverick that much more cat.
Oh, dude.
Meow.
You gotta talk sweet to it, bro. Come on, baby.
Come on, hon.
Come on.
You know you want all new control arm.
Might have to take that brake caliper off.
Uh-oh.
Did it come loose? No.
Oh, that's all it needed. If you'd have just let me put Mustang 2 suspension on here, we wouldn't be having this problem. You don't have to respond to that.
Poking the bear when he's hungry. Brilliant plan, Chuck. Brilliant plan. Poking the bear when he's hungry.
Later.
Set aside, don't lose it.
So I don't lose it.
Go to your home. Go to your home. You want to go home?
Oh, there she goes. She said, hold your tongue right, as they say. Look at her just sliding on in there.
So, folks, I'd like to take a moment
Oh, dear Lord.
to stress and remind y'all the importance of hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget about the bell.
Just-
right next to it. Click, click, click.
Just go ahead.
Okay. Back to the regular scheduled program.
Actually, I would. Now that you mention it, we did put some requests out on social media asking.
Yes.
Yeah, we put some requests out on social media, really asking people to hit the subscribe button. And just in the last month, I think we went up about 20 or 30 subscribers.
Something like that. Shout out to y'all newcomers there.
Yeah, so anybody that actually took the time to go over to the channel and hit the button for us, that's pretty cool.
Shout out to y'all. It calms the hurricane.
Calms the hurricane. Oh, that's all she wrote, bro.
Holy brake pad.
There's too much power in those new Milwaukee tools.
For real, it's shaking it up, man.
What are you doing, Joe?
I'm gonna do a
Non-alignment?
non-alignment.
Some jouncing?
Johnson. Voila!
Oh, well, look at that. Well, Joe's going to show everybody how to load a grease gun. Don't be getting grease gun envy now. I'm taking that with me.
Nice new grease gun.
I'm taking that with me, bro.
Yeah. Take it with you. What kind of grease did you opt for there, bro?
Green.
Green grease.
Okay, so the pop top side goes up. This side is smooth. This goes in like that. Screw that bad boy down. Then
And then...
you release.
Release.
Did you hear it?
See, I think I see some liquid coming out, maybe. No? Is it just shiny?
Genie.
No. Going up.
Oh, we gotta put some in.
Oh,
The
Lord.
bottom ones. Top ones came pre-installed.
Where did they go?
I don't know.
They were laying right here.
You can throw them away.
They were laying right here, bro. Here, there. Which you got choices, bro.
I got choices. Well, you tell me. Me? Oh, they're all straight.
Yeah.
I wouldn't call that choices.
Straight one or a straight one? You choose.
It puts the greaser in. Is she bulging?
Almost. No, not yet. Oh yeah, she's filling up. It's got like a fold in it. I'm assuming that should like pop out, right?
We're looking for a proper amount of bulge.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Look at all that grease that oozed out. Should be getting something.
Yeah, I can see it moving.
Say when.
Dude, it's hard to tell. Like I said, I don't know how much it's supposed to bulge out. If it's supposed to be like this, because if it's supposed to be like that, it looks like it's got a long way to go. See this flap?
No, I don't think it's supposed to.
I mean, it looks like it's filling up though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she pumped up. It's bulbous. Well, what's the year, make, and model of your car, sir?
It's a 1970 Ford Maverick.
What's the What's the year, make, and model of your car, sir?
It's a 1970 Ford Maverick.
It's a what? Oh, my life, I give up. It's a what, sir? I'm gonna retire.